Hi, this is Lisa Knight, and I just wanted to give you some feedback on Module 2 and go over an overview for Module 3. First of all, I wanted to thank you guys for completing your worksheet. A lot of you did a great job showing your work, and I wanted to point out to you that in Module 2, at the very end of the section, I have posted the Homework 1 answers. I also posted the solutions to the problems that you had problems with. It looks like number 2, number 3 were the most commonly missed. So make sure that you go over those solutions and email me, or better yet, send me a message on Remind, and we can meet if we need to go over more problems. Also would like to mention a couple things about the Module 2 forum. I have created a sheet that I'm going to share with you in this message that gives you an example initial post. Okay, so one of your classmates posted this as their initial post, and they posted it by the due date. And then on 2 other days, so the due date was the 13th, and then on the 16th and the 15th, they made constructive posts. So when I say constructive, what I mean is I want you to reply to their post by comparing what you had in your results to theirs, and maybe asking a question or offering a solution to a difference, the reason why there might be a difference, etc. But you can look at these, and I'm sending this sheet out with examples. About half of you are doing a really great job with this, but the other half of you are just simply going, oh, that's a great answer, good job, and that's not going to cut it next time. So you want to make sure that you have 3 separate posts, that the first post is on or before the initial post date, and that the second 2 posts are on 2 separate days after that. And you want to make sure that you do that on time. And most people did a really great job on the Lab 1 Intro to Graphing Motion. I want to make sure that you understand that if you read the instructions here, you had the link to Lab 1, and then it said, here is an introduction video to the lab. And if you hover over that, that was a link telling you exactly how to collect data and analyze that data. So I would hope that you would work on that as well. Module 3 is going to be due on the 4th of October. And you will have another worksheet. So you want to make sure that you round your answers to 3 sigdigs, that you show all your work, and that you box your answers in so that it's easy to find. So once again, you're going to open this up, you're going to save it to your computer. You're going to either, do the solutions on a separate sheet of paper and take pictures of it, or you're going to do it on the worksheet itself, by typing out the answers, but you'll need to show all your work. In Forum 3, you guys are going to be assigned to groups, and those groups are going to work on getting to know each other, and you're going to post by your initial post by 9:27, and you want to introduce yourself to your group mates, and you want to post 1 question from the reading practice questions or from the homework that you're really stumped on, and you want to explain what exactly the confusion is. And then after that, you're going to want to respond constructively to 2 group mates by midnight on the due date for the module. So today I will post the group assignments, and then what you will do is you will click on Physics Forum 3, and when you do that, you will find the thread that says Group 1 if you're in Group 1, and you will post your initial post as a reply to that thread, so that Group 1, all the replies will be made to that post. Group 2, Group 3, Group 4, Group 5. Once again, the initial post is due by the 27th at midnight. And your other two constructive posts need to be made during the next week on 2 separate days after that. All right. And then the last thing you have is your lab this week. So your lab this week is a free fall lab. And there is a video that says Lab 2 instructions here in the description of it that you should watch. And then you will go and complete that lab. So you have a lab where you're looking at objects in free fall, and you will want to make sure that you follow the directions for the instructions for that. If you have any questions, please send me a remind message and I will respond to you quickly.